Welcome to another speed test video, and today I have Realme X50 Pro Player Edition and a OnePlus 8 Pro. Okay, OnePlus 8 Pro is my current daily drive and I just got Realme X50 Pro Player Edition a few days ago. So a lot depends on this speed test, whether I switch to Realme X50 Pro Player Edition or whether I continue to use OnePlus 8 Pro. Yeah, through the speed test video I had to load and reload a lot of applications, a lot of games, and OnePlus 8 Pro got hot. I felt like it was gonna explode and there was a warning like your smartphone is way too hot. So I had to put OnePlus 8 Pro in the refrigerator to restore the temperature. Okay, after watching this video, please don't forget to share your comment in the comment section below. If you have any other speed test or any other video requests, please also make a comment in the comment section below. I'm not gonna waste your precious time. It's time to start our speed test. Okay, it's time to start, and first let me show you that there is nothing running at the background. Now let us check whether I'm using the correct smartphones. Yeah, you can see on the right it's Realme X50 Pro Player. The codename is RMX2072. On the left it's OnePlus 8 Pro. Again, the codename is in 2020. I chose both the same 8 plus 128GB variant. Let us start with Antutu benchmark and straightforward. OnePlus 8 Pro gets a point. It's 120. The next is Prettymerc the Gamer's benchmark, and again OnePlus 8 Pro is faster. Yeah, it's marginally faster, but still it's faster. Now it's time for games. The first game is CSR Racing 2, one of my favorite, and again OnePlus 8 Pro is marginally faster. It's 320. Now it's time for PUBG, and what do you think? Can Realme X50 Pro Player fight back? I don't think so. Yeah, OnePlus 8 Pro gets another point. It's 420. Okay, the third game in line is Call of Duty, one of my most favorite, and I'm really worried. Can Realme X50 Pro Player get a point here? Okay, finally Realme X50 Pro Player gets a point. The next game is Shadow Fight 3. This one is the final game of this speed test and I really like Shadow Fight 3. Realme X50 Pro Player gets another point. It's 422. Let us try Instagram, and I think it's a tie, so there is no point given to any of the smartphones. The next one is YouTube, and Realme X50 Pro Player gets another point because this one is marginally faster to load the content. Next is YouTube Studio, and again Realme X50 Pro Player gets a point. What about YouTube Music? Yeah, Realme X50 Pro Player is marginally faster and continues to get points. Time for the most important Android application, that's Google Play Store, and okay, OnePlus 8 Pro loaded the content faster and gets another point. Let's try a browsing application. I chose Firefox, and yeah, it's clearly a tie. Time to check the 5G speed of both of these two smartphones. I have chosen Ookla to do this, and we are going to run 5G speed test, so Wi-Fi is disabled. Let's see what happens. Okay, this is fascinating. Realme X50 Pro Player is way faster than OnePlus 8 Pro. Okay, this is the final application of round 1. Realme X50 Pro Player opened the camera application faster. What about selfie camera? And finally, there is another point for OnePlus 8 Pro. So OnePlus 8 Pro is trailing behind. It's 627. Now let us check. Yeah, all of the applications are running at the background. Now we are going to check RAM management. Which one of these two smartphones can reload a game or an application faster? While we loaded PUBG for the first time, OnePlus 8 Pro was faster. But now Realme X50 Pro Player is faster. Yeah, you can see all the applications are still running at the background, and let us try CSR Racing 2. And once again, Realme X50 Pro Player is faster. This one is not marginally faster, this one is way faster to load the game. Now let us try Shadow Fight 3. One thing annoying is none of these two smartphones could manage to keep the games running at the background. As usual, reloading is really faster on Realme X50 Pro Player. Now Realme X50 Pro Player is ahead by 10-6. Let us close all these applications and try to restart these two smartphones. Let's see which one is faster to restart the phone. You all know that Oxygen OS is the simplest and the cleanest skin, but you can see here Realme X50 Pro Player gets restarted faster. Let's try boot up test. Wow, Realme X50 Pro Player is the first one to get powered on, and yeah, there is another point. I'm really amazed with the performance of this smartphone. I think I'm gonna switch to Realme X50 Pro Player Edition at least for 2 weeks. and I'm gonna use that smartphone as a daily drive for 2 weeks, so I will try everything on that smartphone. Have you liked this video? Then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. But if you didn't like this video, then I think the dislike button is working. But still, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because there are a lot other videos coming. Maybe you will like those.
What I need you to do is love me. What I need you to do